Hi guys, I'm Yusra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do this hair look. It's very heavily curl, effortless, dreamy, kind of a wavy curl look. I was trying this for the first time, and that is because I was trying out a new color, which is the mermaid hair thicker wand that I was trying to see कि वो कैसी काम करती है. So if you want to know how to get your hair nice and bouncy like this, then please keep watching. I'm taking this argan oil first to begin with. This is the Protein Argan Oil Hair Treatment. It's basically from Aldi. If you don't have Aldi, you guys would have argan oil from, I think, कौन सा वो मोरक्कन आर्गन ऑयल है, OGX का होता है, दो तीन और ब्रांड्स का होता है. It's pretty much the same thing. Today I wanted to do some effortless waves. These are in real effortless waves, okay, because my hair is wavy, but कुछ different करना था, so I thought might as well do it with you guys. I'm going to be trying on a new color, so let's see how that goes. So I'm first using my Dyson with the smoothing attachment, and I'm just smoothing all my frizz and my actual waves out. I usually work in sections, but that's just how I'm working right now, just sectioning it out manually. First going to divide it into half. और आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कोई precise नहीं होना इससे, and honestly this is, I'm also just trying this out. I don't know if it works, but section 1, and I just use bobby pins, like who cares. I'm just going to brush it out. For the hair, I'm using this mermaid hair barrel. It's literally like you can just put your barrel on like that. It has like 3 different attachments, and I'm going to use the highest heat setting. I'm going to use this and curl away from my face. And hold each curl for 30 seconds probably. This is the first time I'm using this, so this is just my first impression. I don't really know how to use it. Honestly, ever since I started using the Dyson, I don't really use anything else, but I am willing to give it a try. My neighbors just came in and they've just bought a lot of stuff probably. This part is pretty simple. Just curl away from your face, और बस ब्रश करें हर सेक्शन को एंड कर्ल अवे फ्रॉम योर फेस. और ये काफ़ी तेज़ हो रहा था, इतना स्लो प्रोसेस नहीं था. इट टुक मी अबाउट 10 minutes to curl everything out, which was good. So ये जो wand है ना, I have had this for nearly 2 years now, and I've never used it because once you use the Dyson, you can't really use anything else honestly. वो ना बालों को आपके डैमेज करता है. पाकिस्तान में मेरे बाल गिरते, तो मेरे बाल यहाँ पर भी हैं, लेकिन पाकिस्तान में मेरे बाल यहाँ पे ज़्यादा गिरते हैं. पाकिस्तान में मेरे बाल हर वक्त अनहेल्दी रहते थे because I was using a lot of like heat on them constantly, and I do feel like Dyson has made that 10,000 times better. I know it sounds crazy. हर किसी को लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. अगर आप ले सकते हैं तो ज़रूर लें, अगर नहीं ले सकते तो कोई बात नहीं, फिर आप रेमिंगटन या किसी भी उससे काम चलाएं. हीट प्रोटेक्टेंट्स अच्छे यूज़ करें. बट माई 2 cents इज़ दैट एवरीवन नीड्स टू हैव अ डायसन. मैं लिटरली इसको भी अभी यूज़ कर रही हूँ ना, मुझे फील हो रहा है कि जैसे मेरे बाल हल्के हल्के जल रहे हैं, एंड यू डोंट गेट दैट विद डायसन एट ऑल. ओके, इसको बंद कर देते हैं. I believe all of my hair is pretty curled, and this is how it looks like right now. I don't know if I'll be able to get that effortless beach style that I saw somebody do, and have no idea how they did it, but let's try. I really like this curl. It's pretty bouncy. Now हमें 5 minute का wait करना है so that all our curls are cool, and while they're cooling down we are going to put some hairspray on them. So while my curls are cooling a little bit, just a little bit of hairspray everywhere. Oh, एक रह गया है. I'll just do this side. I just ate some hairspray. ये जो एक रह गया था इसको भी मैं जल्दी से कर्ल कर लूँ. I don't know if this happens with you guys, but anytime I'm doing my hair, I have that one lut, okay, that refuses to join the crowd and doesn't curl on time, and then I always have to take my curler or straightener or something else out and then curl it. So I don't know if you guys ever have experienced it. Okay. Now that our curls are a little bit cool, I am going to brush them out, and I'm a bit scared. So we take our brush and we just go in one direction. Take our brush. This is exactly what I was looking for. So tell me, what side would you prefer? Do you prefer like this, or do you prefer this? I prefer like undefined curls. I'm going to use a little bit of that hair oil just to calm any frizz. Run it through my hair. And also like adjust the hair the way you like. Right now I was looking for a lot of volume. So guys, that was the hair today. Honestly, it didn't take more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes to do, which I really appreciate, because अगर इतना ज़्यादा घंटे लगाता तो फिर ये बाल properly जो है वो like I don't know, I don't like hairstyles that take a long time. So I really did like the fact that this hair did not take a long time to do, and it's still very bouncy, effortless, wavy. Hairspray लगाए, but because we use the L'Oreal Fine Mist, it's not very joined together, and the more you run your fingers through your hair and the curl loosens up, it even looks better. Now let's talk about this. This is the mermaid hair wand. I do have an attachment of 3. I have this one, and as you can see, they can come out like this. Like you just have to press a little. This is actually very hot, so I'm feeling a bit scared, but you just have to press and twist this, and this comes off. I can't do it right now because it's really hot, but yeah, this comes off. There are 3 attachments in this. There is this one, then there is like a 3-1 for waves, and then there is a thicker one, I think, for even more effortless waves. I will try that out in another video and tell you guys, but so far so good. This curling iron set, I got it from Sephora. My husband actually gave it to me as a gift, and this is the first time that I've used it. I am very pleasantly surprised. My hair just took like 10 minutes to do or 15 minutes to do. Obviously, comparing it to my Dyson, it does damage your hair a little bit. The Dyson completely is damage free, but this also just curls your hair in like 5 seconds each, and the curls tend to last. I can already tell that this will be lasting, so I did enjoy it. Tell me कि क्या आप इसको ख़रीदेंगे या नहीं. I think it might be available somewhere in Pakistan as well. I'm not sure, but for me this is a good product if you are looking at something that you can use to curl your hair, and they're not also very expensive. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I absolutely love the way my hair has turned out, so dreamy and so nice and just so romantic. I feel like a completely different person, and doing your hair does elevate your makeup style a little bit as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.